Need to change your Alaska Airlines flight in 2026? The rules just changed, and they are more complicated than ever. On April 22nd, 2026, Alaska Airlines introduced 6 distinct fare classes. Each has completely different change rules. First class and business lie flat offer maximum flexibility with the minimal fees. Premium class gives you moderate options. Main cabin has standard policies, but saver fares are the most restrictive and expensive to change. Changing your flight is easier than ever. The new Alaska Hawaiian app launched March 30th, 2026, with full change functionality and instant fare differences. Open the app, tap My Trips, select your flight, and choose a new one. Pay with Apple Pay, and you are done in minutes. You can also use the website by logging in and following the same steps. Here is the biggest trap: companion fares. This benefit lets you book a second ticket for just $99 plus taxes. A Seattle to Maui trip costs $620 for the primary fare, but only $99 for the companion, saving you $469. But here is the catch: it is one-time use only. If you change or cancel your flight, you lose the companion fare forever. You cannot reuse the code. Make absolutely sure your plans are locked in before using this benefit. When you change to a cheaper flight, you get a travel credit, but it expires in exactly 12 months from issuance, so track that date carefully. Weather emergencies and airline cancellations give you free changes with no penalties. You can rebook or get a full refund in those cases. And remember, fare differences always apply to every change regardless of your ticket class. Need a same-day change? It is possible, but fees vary by fare class. First-class passengers often pay less or nothing. Saver fare holders face the highest costs. Elite Atmos rewards, members get priority treatment and potential fee waivers. Check the app for real-time availability or visit the ticket counter at the airport. You can switch to earlier or later flights on your travel day. Choose your fare class based on how certain your plans are. Download the Alaska Hawaiian app for the easiest changes. Never use companion fares unless you're 100% sure. Track your travel credit expiration dates. Book with a premium credit card for added flexibility and benefits. Want the complete guide with all the details? Visit Siyatra.com, check the link in the description for our full article with step-by-step instructions, FAQs, and real examples.